Yo, today very lucky again. So today, Hui, what are we doing here today?
I think we have something happen next week, right? So
Something like that.
we need to announce something.
Hui! DEK 8882. No lah, joking. No lah, today we are lucky today because Hui opened up for us to share more of AudioCircle. Wow, I think you heard this brand, everyone knows this brand. I think Malaysia don't really have that much, I remember.
Yeah,
Maybe
because
1-2 car.
because it's just starting last year, I think. Yeah, I get the stock last year.
You get the stock last year.
Yeah.
So, Hui, run me through the paper cone, the carbon, the what's all this?
Okay. So
Let's talk about the entry or the starting kit.
This is actually the Frankfurt line, which is the second lower line from the AudioCircle family. So because the Stuttgart line we sold out already. Yeah. So this is the Frankfurt, is using peppercorn. Okay. So what it promised is natural sound, easy to power.
Easy power,
Yeah.
easy driven. Yeah.
Yes. And of course the tweeter is 20 mm sealed dome. So it gives you a more lively sound compared to your original car speakers.
So this is like, bang, speaker saya rosak lah. So I drive my Mavic.
Yes.
This
But this one will give you some surprise.
Oh.
And actually, most of my customer already have surprise even using the Stuttgart, the lowest.
Oh, you mean one more?
This is second range.
This second range, there's one more lower. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
that's why it was so out.
Oh, so fast sold out. That's okay. I baru tahu this month only, then it's already sold out already. So okay lah. So this is like a cash and carry, fast installation, simple, and you get a good performance out of it, and the sound.
Yep.
The entry level, I would say. Okay.
Yes.
Then let's say little bit budget more. I'll go higher a bit.
Yeah.
So
if you have a request of better music, of course, much better, I would say. You can go for the Handmade line. So for Handmade line, we have 5 drivers here.
Wow.
Okay. From the tweeter, 25 mm, 1 inches.
Nice.
50 mm mid range.
50 mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one, the 3 inches mid range. Sorry.
Okay.
6.5 mid bass.
Wow.
And also 8 inches mid bass.
Plug and play?
Yes. It can be plug and play.
Super light. Good. Peppercorn.
Yep.
Wow, nice.
And you can see all the peppercorn with already stamped with the AudioCircle logos on it.
Yeah, their design. I remember they catch my eye when one of the Indonesian last time they use it. I was like, oh, any AudioCircle, I see. Didn't have a chance to listen. So I think now more in Malaysia, we got more chance to listen. So this is a 6.5 inch. Not bad. So this one, okay lah, if I budget a bit, I think this one I use with DSP-M lah. Huh?
Yes. Sure.
Let's say if I got M, I got DSP already.
You got M, you got DSP. You can go for the
so nice on this box.
Berlin.
Oh,
yeah.
Very nice box.
Yes.
Oh.
Inside is even more better.
Oh, so that's not the one's all this normal box ah. Oh, okay. So this one is...
Actually, it's not normal lah. It's just that this one is more premium because this is a premium speaker. Yeah, it's a higher range, and then it was packed like this, so to show its dedication to sound. So even the packing is different.
Nice. Wow.
This is T26.
T26. 4 ohm. Oh, not bad. Huh? So this is the tweeter.
Yes.
Then it comes to the...
Comes the mid bass.
Mid range. Ooh. Mid bass.
This will be the mid bass. the mid base was sandwiched with aluminium surface. So it's paper at the back and aluminum in the front.
Oh, oh, here a bit. What sound is that? Ketat bass. No lah. Oh, so this is the mid bass. Then the mid range will be.
Let me find. Where is the mid range?
Mid range.
I think it's this.
Ah. Wow.
But this is the
Older
old design box.
Yeah, I can see
now
that.
all came with the black box.
So now new design like that. Old design. Oh, macam ni. Cantik. So that's complete the three-way category. If I have a DSP, I mean the M everything, so this can be considered middle level.
Yes, this is actually the mid range.
Mid level category.
Yeah. And it's very good if you plug and play to your Mercedes or BMW, the door speakers.
Ah, yeah.
It sounds very good.
Oh, just replace the Burmester lah.
Yes.
Or the what B and O or whatever.
Yes. This is an upgrade.
This also German money ma.
Mm.
German money ma. So replace the what Burmester lah.
Yep. You should definitely go for it because if you open up and compare your original cars and this speaker, you will be laughing.
Laughing ah. Oh, okay lah. Wait, I buy Merc first ah. So, what's the big box there?
Big box here is actually the Munich series.
Munich series.
Yeah.
Let me open some space.
Was a little bit spacious because it was using carbon fiber cone.
Just now was aluminium paper cone.
Yeah.
Now is
carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber. Do, re, mi, fa. Okay. Cantik. Ini ada bullet oh.
Yes.
Carbon. Nice. Can I say this will be more higher a bit? Another level up?
This is actually similar level with Berlin.
Okay.
But
it's a carbon version.
It's a carbon version which is built for performance car.
Oh.
That means these speakers can go very loud.
Okay.
And less distortion at loud volume.
Oh, alright. Convertible pakai sedap lah.
Yes. Open top.
Open top.
For your MS5.
Pam.
You must use this.
Oh, short like that one. Okay, so this one is like that. They are speakers maker, right? But I heard they have amplifier.
Yes, they have.
I see
over there.
I
know.
I want to see M. I want to see the M. So, what M is this?
This is actually the 2-channel amplifier.
2-channel amplifier.
Yeah.
So already.
One left for your car.
No lah, don't everything for my. Oh, super big. How to take out? So we have this. This is a 2-channel.
Yes.
Wow, BLAMP2.
You can just open up.
Oh, AudioCircle. So is this new in the market?
It was starting like 2 years back.
2 years back. Oh, so you have high pass, low pass, face on. Oh, not bad. Bass boost.
Basically everything you need for a 2-channel amplifier. You can use it to power speakers, tweeters, or even subwoofers.
That's the question here.
Yep.
Adjustable A to AB.
Yes.
Betul kan? Serious ah?
If you see from the rear, there's a bias control. Class A and Class AB. You can adjust to your liking. So let's say some people like to power the tweeter with class A power. So they can use the bias control to tune it to class A. Yeah.
Now on like that already.
This is only for high-end amplifier. You have this kind of features.
The bias system.
Yeah.
The heart can
Yeah.
A, B, A, B, A, B. Wow, not bad.
Yeah. A is more warm.
Mm-hmm.
AB is more powerful and dynamic.
Okay. So what's the power rating for this?
75 per sorry. 75 was the 4 channel. This is 150.
152 channel. Not bad. Okay. So this is the amplifier new in market. Audio by AudioCircle. Oh, not bad. I thought they just make speaker.
Oh, they even have DSP.
DSP also got already coming soon.
The first batch I have is sold out also. Sorry.
Your best selling is what?
My best selling is actually Stuttgart, Frankfurt, and Hamburg. But I think a lot of people like Berlin.
Berlin.
Yeah, and of course the Pro line.
Pro
line is the top level now. It's the flagship now. But we are coming in with the signature. Or we call reference.
The top one.
Yeah, the even higher model for this year. And also we have another model called Concerto line. Sounds familiar.
Sounds familiar. Concerto line. Okay. Wait for that. You want to see that one?
It's coming.
It's something special. Okay, it's coming. Alright. But do you have the one I remember last time 4 years back? The cones, like what cone is that?
Crystal?
Yeah.
The crystal is the Pro line.
Oh, that's the Pro line.
Yeah. Which I can show you a picture of it.
Picture.
Picture only. Picture only. So out. I can only keep this picture.
Ayo. Picture only. Cannot feel. So out.
So.
Just so out or what?
We order a few sets. In these few months, we get quite a good response from that.
Wow. Okay. So means no chance lor. I have to wait lor.
Currently pre-order.
My office also nearby. Hobby shop only. Just drive. We come. I got already. Come see. Not bad. Not bad. Good picture only lor. Hey. What this one? Under seat woofer.
This is the wow. You have a very big car there.
Under seat woofer.
This is the new subwoofer we just launched in December. It looks big, but actually when you put inside the trunk, it's quite small. And the good thing about this is the square box, where if you carry things, if you bring more things, you can put things on top. You can even stand on top. Yeah, no problem.
No lah, don't pay for that. Don't damage things. Yen very heavy. Oh, not bad. How many inch this one?
This is 8 inches. We also have 10 inches.
Same box design?
10 inches is a little bit taller. Just a bit taller.
If independent sub, also got but also sold out, I believe.
It was used for
already. Okay lah. Okay, you say use for competition lah. Wow, not bad. I think 4 months. This brand in Malaysia, 5. That's it. Officially, suddenly pop up in all the social media. This fella installing AudioCircle. This one installing. It's about 5 months, right?
Yep.
And then majority, I think this is the balance in your shop only.
Yes.
Other shop, I don't know lah. Maybe they got nice stuff they don't share lah.
Maybe
already also installed. I can see in this coming EMA also. Not bad. Wow, so fun. Got so many speaker. Another brand here. So, Ovi?
You know I got no space, right? Please take some, put in your car.
No lah, cannot like that one. I only got one MyV. My MyV also used already lah. MX5, wife car, susah.
I think you can go ESQL with the MyV lah. We can put more subwoofer there.
we put this one 5 biji inside there. You can think not bad. But ESQL cannot win our Thailand friend very strong.
You win, Malaysia will do.
Okay cukup Malaysia. Okay thanks Ovi.
Alright, thank you.
Looking for AudioCircle? Google EA Auto or AutoWorks in Bukit Jalil. You can look for Hovey's Facebook, their website. I mean their Facebook, EA AutoWorks. It's all there. Phone number all in Google. Don't ask me. Go Google. Google will give you all the answer. You Google Hovey also got some info one. Okay? Catch up again. See you guys in the next behind the sound. Maybe with a pro line already. The next video.
Of course, of course.
Thank you, Hovey.
Thank you, thank you.